So if we are looking into deploying any software solution anywhere, we basically see that a number of our customers and projects we're involved in face three typical big problems. One being the deployment itself. How do we get software from where we programmed it to the machine? The second basically being rollback, as not everything is going according to plan always, so there is a good idea to have a rollback strategy. And the third being how to maintain and how to make sure that the systems are, not only running once, but are kept running. If we look at these three topics, first of all, if we look at deployments, in many cases, the deployment process is quite manually. So often involving USB sticks. In many cases, it's checking out some software. There is no real artifact management, and this basically involves a process where a number of factors can go wrong. The wrong file gets downloaded, the wrong file gets uploaded, it's the wrong machine. I have to update more than one machine at the same time. I have a low amount of testing, which is usually done before the deployment, meaning the deployment is often coupled with a number of manual tests. And this makes this process quite cumbersome and very expensive. We basically show and go away with our customers where we use tools which are mainly used in IT development to fully automate the process from a revision in a Git system over an artifact management, like instance Artifactory, down to the machine. Everything fully automated and the possibility to fully test, which basically drastically reduces the time for deployments and of course reduces the number of errors because there is no manual interaction needed at this point. The second problem is basically rollbacks. Even though we have a number of automated tests and some of our customers already leverage that a lot, some things will fail on machines. So it is very important to have a good rollback strategy. In many cases, we see that updates often require migration of configs. Some of the programs need to be altered. A direct rollback takes a lot of time, I'm talking hours, sometimes weeks. For us, we believe that there are a number of technologies, and again, we've been looking into the IT tooling. We are leveraging the containerizing, basically allowing us to package our software and all the configs in a meaningful way. So the exact same software which we used prior is still on the machine and can just be restarted. So there is the possibility for 100% rollback without any kind of risk that are mitigated configs and so on, as long as they're inside of the system. So this basically reduces the risk by a lot and allows us to do a full rollback within minutes. So within a short maintenance window without much downtime, it's possible to do an update, to perform a number of manual tests, and if need be, do a rollback. This again allows the speed and the update cycle to drastically increase. The third part we see, especially if we maintain, is if you deploy worldwide to, in best cases, to a large number of fleets or systems, the idea is that you have to maintain these systems. So in some cases there will be errors, there will be issues, there will be things to have a look at, warnings of any kind. And many of the currently used toolings are bound to a single laptop, to a single machine, which basically needs to be very directly next to the machine. Hardwired HMIs, development systems or tools or frameworks which are on one machine and are license-based, for instance. This makes it quite cumbersome. So again, our approach is a little bit different. We believe that having web-based tooling, basically for everything you need, allows anybody in the world to remotely connect to the machine. We do not offer any kind of remote connection, but there are a number of services there available, so you can use whatever you like. And you can basically have a look at your data, you have a look at your files, orchestrate anything, tracing is possible, and a number of other things. So this basically allows you to have all the tools your developer has while developing the system at your fingertips if you have to debug a system. And this greatly reduces the need for experts to be near to the machinery you maintain, and basically reduces, again, risk and of course site costs, and makes everything a lot more fun.